That black yo magic, 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 black yo magic. That black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may or may not know. And I'm back with a video. And we're gonna hop right into it. In this video, I'm doing something different and totally out my comfort zone. And you will see what that is at the very end. Okay? Okay. So I am starting off on freshly washed hair, even though it was washed the day before. I just wore it in a ponytail to work. I'm adding moisture to it, moisturizing your hair, and detangling it.
When I get there, I hope they're prepared for the Prince of Bel-Air. 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 Go home to Bel-Air.
Alright, so I'm putting my hair into two sections, and the middle part, like, I struggled because I wanted a zigzag. Like, I wanted to be zigzaggy all the way down from the top to the bottom, but I needed some assistance for that, so I went to my sister and I was like, can you help me do my zigzag? She helped me do it, and I still ended up not liking my zigzag, so I just left the front zigzag and then I redid the back into like a straight part going straight back. And those are going to be my two sections of my hair that I need for this hairstyle. Alright, so you already know I'm using my best friend, Mr. Eco Styler, to help me with this look. And I am putting my hair in just two ponytails. I don't know why I said it was a secret. You gotta wait to the end, because if you read the title and if you looked at my thumbnail, you already know what this hairstyle is. But for the final you gotta wait to the end of the video. So that means you gotta keep watching. And you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Right? Right.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel-Air.
Alright, my hair is in my ponytails, and you already know with a look like this, you have to lay these edges. Like, this is my first time laying my edges like that, and it came out looking so good. Like, y'all, watch it. Look at that. Look at it. It took me a long time to get it like that. Don't let the speed fool you. I was struggling, but it came out so cute. Like, this hairstyle really came out cute. I got a lot of great response from it. Except for the white people. Like, the white people thought it was a weird look, but who fucking cares, you know? I liked it, you know, my peers liked it. That's all that matters. And look, y'all see my two ponytails, they lopsided. But we ain't gonna worry about that. So I am using Marley hair for this hairstyle. And right here, I'm just trying to figure out how long did I want it. Did I want it extra long? Did I want it regular long? And I just put a rubber band around it and attached it to my ponytail. And make sure, first of all, we're not going to even talking about how much of a struggle it was just trying to see how I was going to cover up my freaking ponytail. Like, I was struggling. But it still came out looking alright. But y'all, hairpins was used to cover up my puff. And then I didn't have no black rubber bands. Well, I did, but I needed them for the ball look of the look. So I had to use a brown rubber band, and you can see it. And I was trying to cover that up. The struggle is real. Like, but it still came out cute. Alright, so what you want to do is start from the bottom of your ponytail and work your way up. And all you're doing is, like, watch the video because it's really hard to explain. But all you're doing is cupping a piece of hair, squishing it up, placing the rubber band around it, then letting go and fluffing out the little ponytail part of the little puff part of it. And it's a really simple and easy, you know, way. Sometimes your ball's gonna be uneven, or your puffs, whatever you want to call them, is gonna be uneven. But yes, that's all it is. Like, you just start from the bottom, add a rubber band, hold a piece of it, scrunch it up, put another rubber band on it, and that creates the ball look aspect of the look. Alright, so I did the other side off camera. Like, I hope that the first part, like, was really good or very detailed. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section and I will answer them, because, you know, it never hurts to answer me and ask questions. Like, never. So I'm just using some accessories to, like, doll up the look, like, to make it look good. Y'all see my brother in the back. I am a twin, if y'all didn't know. He's talking to me, whatever. But anyway, I'm just gonna use the gold string and wrap it around each section where I put the rubber band at, and add some pizzazz to this look, y'all. Like, I felt like a real princess, like a black Pippin, long stockings. Like, you couldn't tell me nothing with this look. And I tried to wear it for a week, but it didn't last. I couldn't do it. But it was like, I would do this look again. I would. Alright, so after you add the accessories, that is basically the final look, you guys. And thank you so much for watching my video. And if you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. And you already subscribed and you made it all the way to the end, you already know I fucks with you the hard way. And when this video is posted, I should be close to 200 subscribers. Like, I'm slowly growing, and I appreciate that. I am not rushing it at all. If it comes fast, it comes fast. If it don't, it don't. But I just want to say thank you so much for hanging in with your girl. See y'all in my next video, and I hope you have a good day, morning, or night. Peace out. Bye.